Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. So we're getting ready to mix some grout on the tile in this Sistine stone sliding glass door corner shower. Wow, that's a long name. And what I usually do, I can mix it up in big pans, but we have a very small space and big buckets and stuff like that. But we have a small space. So what I'm gonna do is pour water in here. This is not real level. I'll just pour the whole bottle. Then this is a inexpensive, white dry grout. It's not sanded, non-sanded, so it will not scratch the tile and look real smooth. This is stuff you would put in the bathroom areas and glass tile so it doesn't scratch your tile and things like that. And then it's real easy to clean out. Sanded would go on places like the main walking area, things like that. Then I have a battery powered drill to make sure those little deals there are sticking out. This has come from a mixer that you would use at home to mix up eggs or whatever. And I got it at Goodwill, and I just buy them up for a quarter to 50 cents a piece and stick them on truck and use them for all different kinds of things. Fast mats, grout, corn leveler. A little bit soupy for what I want, so I'm going to add some more. I think I'm going to have to add a little more water now. Too much. Alright, that looks like it'll be fine. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.